Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ALLCACA waterproof remote control car boat. 2.4 gigahertz all-terrain RC car. 1/18 scale double-side stunt vehicle with 360-degree spins and flips. And the name is Amphibious Radio Controlled RC Car. 360-degree spins and flips. This is a multi-function stunt car. Unique design, let it easy to complete 360-degree spins around. Best gift for boys and girls, and adults too. Waterproof design equipped with waterproof rubber ring to protect inner accessory of the car, which makes it possible to even drive on the water. Amazing fun land and water toy. Double sides running, just bump it against a wall, stop quickly to cause it to flip over. Provide you the amazing visual experience, responsive transmitter and more than 60 meters remote control range, 2.4 gigahertz remote technology, adopts 2.4 gigahertz anti-interferences control frequency, which enable multiple RC boats to racing together at the same time. Powerful motor enables speed up to 15 miles per hour. Long playing time. Package comes with 6-volt 700 mAh rechargeable battery for car. 2 hours charging time will power the car racing for more than 15 minutes. Yeah, let this RC car make you enjoy the fun of playing the multi-function car. It can work great on land and water at 360-degree spin and flips, which is easy to operate with 4-wheel drive system. Yeah, the high-quality car, which is made of solid ABS, will give you a thrilling and unforgettable driving experience. The car battery is 700 mAh rechargeable, and you have to buy 2 AA batteries because they are not included. The top speed is 15 miles per hour. The drive mode is 4x4 wheel drive. The charging time is about 2 hours. Playing time is about 15 minutes. The control distance is more than 60 meters. And here you can see how to charge the battery of your RC car. Only plug it in to the USB charge cable, and then you have only to plug in the USB charge cable to your personal computer or to an AC adapter of your smartphone, for example. And after 2 hours, the battery will be ready to use. After this, unplug it and install it into your RC car. Let's assemble the battery. First step, we are going to assemble the batteries of the remote control unit. Only tighten the one screw on the bottom side of your remote. Easy, as you can see. Now you are able to open the cover for the batteries, and then you have 2 spaces for AA batteries. The AA batteries has a plus pole and a minus pole. The plus pole has to fix at the side where the plus is on the upper side, and the minus pole has to fit on the side where the minus pole is drawn on the bottom side of the RC remote cover. So now dip in the first battery. Now rotate the battery 180 and then dip it too. Now you can close the cover and reassemble the screw again. Tighten the screw, but take care it's plastic, so do not tighten it too hard because of damage. So now, as you can see, the LED is flashing. That means the remote is searching for the RC car. But the RC car has no energy inside. Let's do this next. For assembling the rechargeable battery, we have to untighten the 4 button screws on the bottom side of the RC car. Only rotate them left turn until the cover is ready to remove. Now it's time to get power inside your new RC car. Yeah. On the bottom side of the space for the battery, you can see its waterproof design there. Nice, good. This is really awesome because of you are driving in the winterland, and of course you are driving in the water area with this RC car. So now you have to connect the battery to the wire. Easy. Only push it in position and job's done. Now lay down the battery to the space. There it is. Good job. And tighten the 4 screws again. After this action, the rechargeable battery is installed, and the 2 AA batteries for your remote control is assembled too. Now you can see if you are going to have a water action. After this, you open this water removal clips, 2 of them, and if you are going into the dust, close them. Now push on the button on the top side and you are ready to rumble. Only switch on the remote and ready to drive. Good job, man. If you like to go forward, have your remote in the hand and then push it by your finger. And if you go backward, pull. Okay? And then if you like to make a rotation, you only have to rotate the steering wheel right or left. After this, you are able to make a 360 or a little bit less, so you can have a way and use the steering wheel. Easy going. Front and backwards. Easy going. And right and left. These are all you need, and this is what you get.
Jetzt nach vorne weg. Und zurück. Oh, der hat sich gerade angehoben, ey. Bisschen drehen. Bisschen mehr drehen. Boah. Yeah. Boah. Okay, jetzt ausrichten und... Ja, klappt das? Oh, auf den Kopf gestellt und jetzt rückwärts haben. Jetzt können wir andersrum fahren. Wie geil ist das denn? Yeah. Mal gucken, ob wir ihn auch so umdrehen können. Yeah. So. Woo! Cooles Ding. So, nochmal die Drehung. Full Speed. Yeah. Boah, cooles Fun-Teil.
That was awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback and see you next time. Cool car. Soon. Oh yeah.